Welcome to the PROMOVET case study video. This short instructional video will show you how to use some of the features of Google Duo. Google Duo is a very simple, light and robust video and phone calling platform that allows the educator to hold face-to-face meetings using their Google account and their phone number to call established or new contacts. It exists as an app in all countries and in a web-based platform. The main attraction of Google Duo is its encrypted end-to-end privacy nature and its ability to automatically adapt to various internet speeds in order to keep the call quality steady. You can use Google Duo to hold bilateral videos with students on the go without using heavier apps that are prone to crashing and require a lot more mobile data. You can also export your phone history to keep track of the communication with your students. Now that you know a little bit about Google Duo as a calling and video tool for your learners, you should create an account on Google Duo and familiarize yourself with the key features of the app. For more ideas on how online tools can be used in your teaching practice, remember to log on to the PROMOVET platform and check out our compendium of online tools, which provides you with advice on how to integrate these online resources in your teaching.